Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing essentials. Check your Google account country and backup purchases. This prevents lost app access. Once done, get a local payment method or valid billing address for the country you want to switch to. Gift cards work when cards don't. Now open the Google Play app, make sure you're signed into the correct account. Then go to the left menu, tap Account, and locate Country and Profiles to see available country options. This gets you into the change workflow immediately. Next, choose the target country profile in Account Country and Profiles. You must add a billing method from that country, enter a local card, PayPal, or redeem a local gift card. This verifies eligibility. If Play does not present the country option, try relaunching the app after using a reputable VPN set to the destination country, then clear cache again and reopen Play. Make sure to follow billing address formats precisely. Mismatched details are a common cause of failure. Finalize by confirming the new country in Play. The switch can take up to 48 hours, but often happens instantly. Once changed, browse the store to verify new apps, prices, and regional content. Make sure subscriptions behave as expected. If you need to revert, you can use your original payment method to switch back, but you may be limited to one change per year. If the switch fails, try creating a separate Google account set to the target country or contact Google support. This is the key troubleshooting step to resolve persistent problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.